Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Let's see some more remedies in heart therapeutics. Now one drug which is never thought of in heart complaints. We only think about that in piles, hemorrhoids, or we think about in throat complaints, minister's sore throat or piles. But a very important drug for heart complaints also. I'll tell you the importance also. The drug which I'm telling you is Collinsonia canadensis. Yes, Collinsonia in heart. Remember the symptom now. In heart disease complicated with hemorrhoids. It is written beautiful in the Materia Medica. Heart disease complicated with hemorrhoids. So that means if a patient is suffering from hemorrhoidal complaints and there is a complication, or because of that or with that it suffers from heart complaints, then you must think about Collinsonia. It is written that in Collinsonia, when cactus, digitalis and other remedies fail, think about Collinsonia. See the importance of Collinsonia, even more than cactus, even more than digitalis. But the symptom similarity has to match. That is the art of homeopathy. All drugs have a specialized function and specialized symptom in that you have to see in the patient. So in Collinsonia, heart disease complicated with hemorrhoids, when cactus and digitalis and other remedies fail, think of Collinsonia canadensis. Next drug, again a very important drug, foxglove, that is Digitalis purpura. Now digitalis is basically given for weak heart with valvular complaints. Weak heart with valvular complaints. Now weak heart means what? The pumping of the heart, the left ventricular ejection fraction is weak with valvular complaints or without valvular complaints also, then you must think of digitalis. In fact, it is written in digitalis, weak heart without valvular complications. Weak heart is an important symptom, but if it is without valvular complication, then you must think about Digitalis purpura. And there is a typical sensation as if heart would stop beating if she moved. मतलब अगर वो move किया तो heart बंद हो जाएगा. That is a very important symptom of Digitalis purpura. Sensation as if heart would stop beating if she moved. इसलिए Digitalis patient क्या करेगा? If she comes in the chamber and then if she gets that sensation, she'll stop. She'll not move. She'll not get up. डॉक्टर साहब, if I यहाँ से उठूंगी ना तो हार्ट बंद हो जाएगा. Because she has sensation as if heart will stop beating if she moved. So she sits still and does not move. A very important symptom of digitalis. You must compare this symptom with one drug. That drug I have used very sporadically in this symptom when digitalis had failed. And that drug is cocaine. COCAINE. This drug I have used in few patients where digitalis failed in this symptom, that is sensation as if heart would stop beating if she moved. Weak heart without valvular complication. And this is the 3 marking symptom of Digitalis purpura. Next drug, Gelsemium. Now in Gelsemium also the symptom is exactly maybe you call opposite of Digitalis. Feels that unless constantly on move, heart will stop or cease beating. In Gelsemium patient, if he comes in the chamber, he will move around. Now don't always think about the restlessness of arsenic. He is restless, but try to understand what the patient is telling you. The Gelsemium patient fears that unless constantly on move, the heart will cease to beat. So he must always be on the move, exactly opposite to Digitalis purpura. This is homeopathy. This is homeopathy symptoms. You must always remember in Gelsemium. Next, if I am telling you the symptom only related to heart, not the whole symptom of Gelsemium or the whole symptom of Digitalis, that is written in the Materia Medica, but concentrate only on heart symptoms. Next drug that comes to my mind, again a very rare drug, that is Iodum. In Iodum, there is a beautiful sensation as if heart was squeezed together, sensation as if heart is squeezed together, as if grasped with an iron hand, Till now, you must be remembering Cactus grandiflorus with this symptom, as if grasped with iron hand. Remember Iodum also, and remember one more drug which has the same symptom, that is sulfur. So you must remember Iodum, Cactus and sulfur. Though Cactus grandiflorus is the very important drug for the symptom, but you must always remember Iodum also and sulfur also. There is a sensation as if heart is clasped and unclasped, or heart is grasped by an iron hand. But there is one more sensation in Iodum, that is heart feels as if squeezed together. You have a lot of sensation in lot many drugs, squeezed together, iron hand sensation as if heart will stop beating if she stood still, or sensation as if heart will stop beating unless on move. These symptoms are very important in homeopathy, because that constitutes the 3 marking or the rare symptoms which is present in our remedy. That will define your remedy, that will define your patient. That is the art of homeopathy. Next drug, again a very rarely used drug, that is Kali Karb. Now in Kali Karb, I have seen one symptom that is important, that is tendency to fatty degeneration of the heart. I had told you in Aurum Metallicum, I had told you phosphorus, now I am telling you Kali Karb. So whenever symptoms come, you must always have 2-3 drugs so that you can differentiate those drugs in the same disease process. That is tendency to fatty degeneration of the heart, Aurum Metallicum, phosphorus and Kali Karb. There is one sensation in Kali Karb that you must remember, that is sensation as if suspended by a thread. उसको लग रहा है हार्ट लटक रहा है एक धागे से. Sensation as if heart, or sensation as if it is suspended by a thread. One more remedy which is very close to this symptom, or which has this symptom in its symptomatology, that is lachesis. In lachesis and in Kali Karb, sensation as if heart is suspended by a thread. Only we are concentrating on the heart symptoms. Next drug, an important drug taught in our colleges, that is Kalmia latifolia. Yes, Kalmia latifolia, in heart disease that has developed from rheumatism. Now this is a very important symptom, heart disease because of rheumatic complaints, or alternate with it. Rheumatism alternates with heart complaints. You must remember Kalmia latifolia, a very important symptom of Kalmia. Rheumatism alternates with heart complaints. Of course, lot many symptoms of heart disease. Please go home and read the Materia Medica. Next drug, Lilium tigrinum. Now in Lilium tigrinum, though you have been studied a lot of symptoms of female complaints of menstrual disorders, but in heart disease also a very important drug. Sensation as if heart was grasped in a vice, similar to cactus, as if heart is grasped in a vice, as if the blood, now remember, now here the symptom, as if blood had all gone to the heart. मतलब अगर आपको लगता है कि पूरा बॉडी का ब्लड, खून आपके हार्ट में चले जाएगा, तो क्या सिम्टम आएगा हार्ट के अंदर? The heart feels full and bursting. उसको बर्स्ट, इतना ब्लड चलेगा हार्ट बर्स्ट हो जाएगा. जैसे ब्लड में लगता है कि पूरा ब्लड ब्रेन में चलेगा, हेड में चलेगा, और हेड है बर्स्टिंग हेडेक, थ्रॉबिंग हेडेक. In the same way, a Lilium tick patient feels as if all the blood has gone to the heart, so the heart feels full, that is bursting in the heart, and inability to walk erect. मतलब Lilium tick patient ऐसे चलेगा झुक के, सीधा नहीं चल पाता. Inability to walk erect, that is Lilium tigrinum. Now, if the patient has sensation as if all the blood has gone to the heart, how will it be the heartbeat? rapid heartbeat, 150 to 170 per minute. Rapid heartbeat, 150 to 170 per minute. Deep-seated pain at the apex of the heart. Of course, you must know the anatomy of the heart, that is the apex and the base of the heart. So, in Lilium tigrinum, the patient has deep-seated pain at the apex of the heart. That is important. So, in Lilium tigrinum, always remember, the patient feels as if whole of the blood of the body has come to the heart, fullness in the heart because of this bursting sensation, rapid heartbeat, 150 to 170 per minute, and that is Lilium tigrinum. We'll stop now. Next time I'll add few more drugs. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.